Hello, welcome to the Compact CRM walkthrough series. The Compact CRM is a Notion-based relationship and follow-up system to capture, organize, and surface whatever information you need at any given moment. With this, we have everything we need to manage tasks, contacts, companies, notes, meeting notes, and a few other much-needed areas of our work and life. Built using the Focus framework, every section in the Compact CRM is clearly defined to minimize confusion. So this series is going to go over 4 different videos. Video 1 is the one that we're watching, talking about the other videos. Video 2 is Notion basics and the core building blocks of what makes this work. Video 3 is the Focus framework and how to focus and really find anything at any given moment. And Video 4 is all about tips, tricks, and techniques to make it really come to life. So let's get right to it, shall we? Next video is the core building blocks that makes this work. See you over there.